Suppose that we are given this problem: the average gasoline price per gallon in cities and the cost of a barrel of oil are shown below for a random selection of weeks from 2009 to 2010. We have a data set here that consists of two variables: the amount of the cost in dollars of a barrel of oil, and then the cost in dollars for a gallon of gasoline. And we would expect that as the price of a barrel of oil increases, so then would the price of a gallon of gasoline. And the job here is to actually quantify this relationship. We're going to answer some questions. What is the strength of the relationship? And then what would be the regression equation that would allow me to predict the price of a gallon of gasoline given the price of a barrel of oil? We can do that using the TI calculator. I've already typed these values into list 1 and list 2. Now, since we expect the price of a barrel of oil to affect the price of a gallon of gasoline and not the other way around, then oil will be our independent variable, which we'll call X, and then the gasoline will be our dependent variable, which we would call Y. So in order to use the calculator to find these values, we'll push stat, and then we'll go over to tests, and then we'll go to linear regression t-test, which is F, and then enter the correct values here. We decided that our X list would be list 1, the price for a barrel of oil, and then the Y list would be list 2, the price per gallon of gasoline. We'll test whether the population correlation coefficient is equal to or not equal to 0, and then we'll go down and hit calculate. Now the values that we get here then, we see that P is 0.1467. Now this is greater than 0.05. So we should not reject the null hypothesis that the population correlation coefficient is equal to 0. If we go down some more here, we'll see that R is 0.668, which would indicate a positive relationship, but not a particularly strong positive relationship. So to answer this question then, we would say that the regression analysis should not be done.